Big Lots, a household name for budget-savvy shoppers, is closing stores across the US and Canada. What does this mean for your financial future? Is your favorite discount store disappearing forever? Stay tuned because the answers might shock you. And before you say, "Oh no, where will I buy my $5 beach chair and $3 scented candle?" Let's dive into the deeper story. This isn't just about a retailer shutting its doors. It's about the financial storm brewing in the retail industry. A storm that could impact your wallet, your shopping habits, and even your investments. Let's break it down. To truly understand why Big Lots is closing stores, we need to uncover 3 crucial factors. And trust me, the last one will change how you think about money. The conflict. Why Big Lots stores are closing point. 1. The rise of e-commerce narration. Amazon, Walmart's online arm, and a sea of digital-first retailers have changed the way we shop. Convenience and free shipping? Hard to argue with that. Big Lots struggled to keep up. Their website launched late, and their digital strategy couldn't compete. When was the last time you shopped online at Big Lots? Yeah, me neither. As a generation prioritizing convenience and time, we've shifted our spending to platforms that deliver, literally. And Big Lots? They were still playing catch-up. Point 2. Poor financial management. Narration. Behind the scenes, Big Lots has been battling debt and declining revenue. While competitors streamlined operations and invested in tech, Big Lots poured resources into expansion. Expanding into a shrinking market? Risky. And now they're paying the price. This is a cautionary tale about financial mismanagement. Whether you're running a business or managing your personal budget, overspending without planning for the future is a recipe for disaster. Point 3. Changing consumer preferences, narration. Here's where it gets personal. As consumers, we're shifting away from quantity and leaning into quality. We're willing to spend a little more for durability, sustainability, and brands we trust. Big Lots, with its discount-first model, couldn't adapt to this new mindset. Let's face it, how many of us have bought something cheap only for it to break a week later? Big Lots products may have earned a reputation, but not the good kind. As we're striving for financial stability and wealth, we're learning that sometimes spending more upfront saves us more in the long run. The resolution: lessons and takeaways. So, what can we learn from Big Lots' downfall? First, stay adaptable. The world is changing fast. Whether it's your career, your investments, or even your shopping habits, those who adapt will thrive. Here's a quick question. If your favorite store shut down tomorrow, would you notice? If yes, why? Think about it. Tease the next video. And speaking of smart financial moves, there's a principle that can transform how you think about money entirely. It's called the power of compounding, and it's the secret weapon of the wealthy. Click on the video on your screen now to learn how compounding can make your money work for you. Don't miss it. Uplifting music, footage of shoppers, adapting to new trends. Big Lots may be closing its doors, but for you, this could be the beginning of smarter financial decisions. Let's keep building that wealthy lifestyle together.